Assalamualaikum foodies, today we are making very special recipe crispy fried fish. I'm gonna share lots of tips and techniques throughout the video, so stay focused and let's start. First of all, we are gonna wash fish to eliminate all fishy smell. So here I took approximately 1.5 liters of tap water, half cup of distilled white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix everything to combine. Next, take fish fillets. You can use any type of fish. Here I am using white fish, which is easily available in supermarkets. Wash nicely and soak fish in salt and vinegar water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This step will remove all odor from the fish. After 15 minutes, drain and discard water. Next, take out on a kitchen towel and pat it dry so that batter sticks nicely to the fish. Now cut into equal pieces. Here you can see it is thinner from the tail side, so start cutting from there at an angle. In this way you would have even thickness throughout your pieces. Hold knife at 45 degrees angle and cut like this. There you have them. This is done. Now let's move to batter. Take half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Cornstarch is actually gluten-free, so this will help in reducing gluten formation in the batter. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper, and you can adjust the spices according to your taste as well. Mix everything to combine and set aside. Now crack an egg and separate its white in another bowl. Here please keep in mind your bowl should be nicely clean without any fat residue, otherwise your whites will not whip up properly. Add yolk into the flour mixture and then add half cup of iced cold water. And why we are using cold water? Again, it will help in making less gluten in the batter. And gluten is actually responsible of making your fish soggy. So we are doing everything to avoid this. Mix everything up with the help of fork, not with a whisk, because we don't want stretchy gluteny batter. If you feel that it's quite lumpy, trust me, it's completely okay. If you feel that batter is quite thick, then add remaining water. It should be a loose batter. Yeah, now it's fine. And few lumps in there, they are completely fine. Add an ice cube which will keep the batter chilled before frying. Now let's whip egg white, which we have separated earlier. As I have mentioned before, your bowl should be clean and your beater should also be clean. There should not be any fat particle in the bowl or in the beater. Otherwise, it will not whip up properly. You'll be wondering why I am whipping egg white. So actually, this will make our fish super crispy. This is the secret ingredient of the super crispy fish. So first egg white will start foamy and then gradually it will be fluffy like this. You should not beat too much to make it dry. because otherwise it will be difficult to mix in the batter. This is the perfect consistency. Now gently fold it into the batter. Very gently, because we don't want to deflate it. We just want to incorporate this egg white into the batter. Just like this. Yeah, that's it. Fish is ready, batter is ready, so now let's fry it. Take a frying pan and heat oil up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal temperature of frying fish is 350 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat fish in the batter and fry at medium-high flame. If temperature will be too high, it's gonna burn, or if temperature is too low, then it will absorb too much oil. So frying temperature is very important. One more thing, do not put too many pieces in the pan, otherwise temperature of the oil will drop and will make your fish oily. After 2 minutes, when one side is golden, then turn the side. Fry other side also for 2 minutes, and when both sides are nicely golden brown, then take out and drain them on paper towel. I didn't add so many spices in the fish so that flavor of the fish shines through. That's why I'm serving it with my delicious, spicy, sweet and tangy sauce. You can get the recipe from the right-hand corner of the screen or from the description box. Garnish with green onions, and here you have it. Super crispy and delicious. Check this sound. Wow. Absolutely delicious. Crunchy from outside, soft and flaky from inside. Perfect. Do try this recipe and enjoy with your family and friends. Super crunchy. So if you liked today's recipe, then let me know in comments, hit like and share with others too. And don't forget to subscribe to show some love. See you next time with another wonderful recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.